Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that may have bothered many of you. Why do you get pimples when you use moisturizer? Do you notice frequent breakouts after applying moisturizer to your skin? Wondering what could be causing those pesky pimples? Believe it or not, one possible reason for this is ingredient sensitivity or allergy to certain components in the moisturizer. Moisturizers often contain substances like fragrances, oils, or emollients that can clog pores and lead to breakouts in some individuals. Another factor could be the heaviness or thickness of the moisturizer, which may be too much for your skin type, leading to clogged pores and acne. If you have naturally oily skin, using a moisturizer that's too rich or greasy can contribute to excess oil production and the formation of pimples. Sometimes, pimples after using moisturizer could be a sign of a poorly matched product, not suitable for your skin type or condition. Consider your skin's needs and choose a non-comedogenic moisturizer, which means it won't clog your pores. It's also important to ensure you're applying your moisturizer correctly, using clean hands and avoiding excessive product application. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so finding the right moisturizer for you might involve a bit of trial and error. If you continue experiencing frequent breakouts despite using different moisturizers, it could be a good idea to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. That wraps up our discussion on why you might get pimples when using moisturizer. We hope you found this information helpful, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips.